Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 quick access not working. First method is click type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. Second method is open File Explorer, click three dots, click Options. Check Show recently used files in Quick Access, check Show frequently used folders in Quick Access, click Clear. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.